Hey there, this is Jamie, and I wanted to make a little video to help you get through getting your data uploaded to work on your prep work this week. So in this week's prep work, you're going to be working through Appendix 1, which is basically going to get you oriented to Tableau. You're going to download Tableau Public, and then you're going to import some data. And most of the instructions in that appendix are quite clear, but one of the things I wanted to break down for you is getting the data from your computer into Tableau. So you're going to need to make sure that you've got all the publisher's data downloaded to your computer, or at least Chapter 4. So I have mine in my MBA folder. I've got my publisher's data files, all of them together, and I'm going to open my Chapter 4 data. In this example, in Tableau, we're going to be working with the tab that's called Transactions. And this is a pretty large file. Tableau can cope with an Excel sheet that has many tabs, but this one is large, and I like to simplify wherever I can. So I'm going to navigate to my Transactions file. I'm going to copy the entire sheet. I'm going to make a new file. I'm going to paste the transactions data into it, save it. It's going to go here, and I'm going to call it Appendix 1. Appendix 4.1, Transactions, and I'm going to save it. I won't leave it there forever, but that's where we're going to get started. Now I'm going to close this out. By having the Transactions tab in its own file, it's going to make the next step a little quicker. So from here, if you've got Tableau open, your screen's going to look a little like this. On the left-hand side is the Connect pane, and it basically just gives you all the types of files that Tableau can connect to, or that Tableau Public connect to. And then it's got some options if you wanted to connect to a server. So if you had data that was continually updated and you could connect to it, then your Tableau spreadsheet would update as new data became available, and you wouldn't have to do anything. In this case, we're just going to connect to a Microsoft Excel file. So I'll click on Microsoft Excel, and then it's going to allow me to navigate through my files and select my Appendix 4.1. And there we go. Here it is, and now it's imported. So it's called Sheet 1. I could have called it something else that might have been a little bit more descriptive, but that's okay. Now the data is uploaded, and what we see here, Sheet 1, let's change that. Let's call it Transactions. And we can tell that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. And in Tableau, a variable is called a field. And we've got the name of each field, the place where it is located in Sheet 1, that's its physical table. And for each variable, we're told what type it is. It's got a number sign here because it's a number, and then here we've got ABC because it's text. And then we can see a preview of the first 100 rows. You could change that if you wanted to play with it, see more or less, depending how large your data set was. And we can see, like we would in an Excel file, customer, each customer gets a number, purchase, satisfaction, whether or not they're repeat, their sex, and their income. And then once you get the file in Tableau, you can pop over into Sheet 1 and begin following along with the example in the appendix. All right, hope that works. Talk to you soon.